Now we will discuss about derivatives of composite functions, by way of which we will be deriving something called as the chain rule of differentiation of composite functions. Now if f is a real function and if suppose f is equal to v of u, that is it is v of u of x. Now if we take t to be equal to u of x, then f dash of x, which is nothing but d by dx of f of x, will be given by dv by dt into dt by dx. Now this is what is called as chain rule, a very important concept in differentiation. So in all the following exercises we will be discussing, we will be doing lot of problems using this chain rule. Now for example, if f of x is equal to 3x square plus 5 the whole square, we will be taking t to be equal to 3x square plus 5. Therefore f of x is now another function of t, say u of t, and that is equal to t square. Now using chain rule, what is f dash of x? It is nothing but du by dt into dt by dx, which is equal to d by dt of t square into d by dx of 3x square plus 5, which is nothing but 2t into 6x. Now we will substitute the value of t back into this, so we will be getting 2 into 3x square plus 5 into 6x, which is nothing but 12x into 3x square plus 5. Now this is for a function of function. Now if we can extend this to a function of function of function. Now suppose we have three functions w, u and v such that f of x is equal to w of u of v, and if t is equal to v of x, s is equal to u of t, then we have f dash of x to be equal to d by dx of f of x, which is equal to dw by ds into ds by dt into dt by dx. So now this is chain rule for three functions. Now this chain rule actually helps us to determine the derivatives of really complex functions. Say we have something like 3x square plus 5 the whole power 100. Can we expand this? Now since the power is going to be 100, expansion of such a function is very difficult. Now so chain rule gives us a provision to do differentiation of such a function very easily.